Imagine this. You walk into a store, grab what you need, and with just a simple swipe, you walk out without spending a single dime, at least not immediately. That's the power of a credit card. But here's the catch. If you choose the wrong one, you could be drowning in debt before you even realize it. Today, we're breaking down the best credit cards for beginners, so you start off on the right foot and maximize your financial potential. What makes a credit card beginner-friendly? Not all credit cards are created equal, especially for someone just starting out. The best beginner credit cards have a few key features: low or no annual fees, reasonable interest rates, rewards for everyday spending, and, most importantly, easy approval for those with little to no credit history. If you're getting your first credit card, you don't want to get trapped in high fees or overwhelming debt. So let's dive into the best options available right now. 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. First on our list is the Discover It Secured Credit Card. This is a great option for beginners because it helps build credit while offering cashback rewards. Here's why this card stands out. No annual fee. 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants. 1% cashback on all other purchases. Automatic credit review after 7 months, meaning you can upgrade to an unsecured card if you show responsible use. If you have no credit history or even a low credit score, this is one of the best ways to get started without major risk. 2. Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. If you want a straightforward card with unlimited cashback rewards, this is an excellent choice. Here's what makes it ideal for beginners. 1.5% cashback on every purchase, no categories, no limits. Credit limit increase review in as little as 6 months. No foreign transaction fees, making it perfect for travelers. The only downside: it comes with a small annual fee of $39. But if you use your card strategically, the cashback can easily offset that. 3. Chase Freedom Student Credit Card. For students looking to build credit and earn rewards, the Chase Freedom Student Credit Card is a solid option. Key benefits include $50 bonus after making a first purchase within 3 months. 1% cashback on all purchases. No annual fee. $20 annual reward for good credit behavior. If you're a student, this card gives you a great opportunity to develop good financial habits while earning rewards. 4. Pedal 2 Cashback, no fees, Visa Credit Card. What if you have zero credit history and want to avoid high fees? The Pedal 2 Visa card is designed for people with no credit or limited credit and offers strong cashback rewards without requiring a security deposit. Here's why it's worth considering. 1% cashback on purchases, increasing up to 1.5% with on-time payments. No annual fees, late fees, or foreign transaction fees. Credit limit up to $10,000, which is rare for beginner credit cards. Instead of checking your credit score, Pedal looks at your banking history to determine eligibility, making it an excellent choice for those new to credit. 5. Citi Double Cash Card. If you're ready for a higher-tier beginner card, the Citi Double Cash Card is a powerful tool to build credit and earn high cashback rewards. Here's what makes it stand out. 2% cashback on all purchases, 1% when you buy and another 1% when you pay it off. No spending categories to track. No annual fee. This card is best for those who are confident they can pay off their balance in full each month since it doesn't offer a 0% introductory APR. How to use your first credit card wisely. Getting a credit card is just the beginning. How you use it determines your financial future. Here are some essential tips. Pay your bill in full every month to avoid interest charges. Keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Never miss a payment, as even one late payment can hurt your credit score. Use it like a debit card, only spending what you can afford to pay off immediately. The wrong credit card can be a trap, but the right one can be a powerful financial tool. The best credit card for you depends on your spending habits, financial goals, and discipline. Choose wisely, build your credit, and open the doors to better loans, higher credit limits, and financial freedom. Now, I want to hear from you. Which credit card on this list do you think fits your needs best? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss life-changing financial tips. See you in the next video.